Hello everybody, Bruce here with a quick kind of pro tip video on something called REPL inside of Visual Studio Code. So check this out. In the textbook, I'm looking at my online version now. You see how they have these triple chevrons here, these triple greater than signs, and then some code, and then they hit enter and it says the value, right? During, I believe, the first class, I went over this, but I thought I'd go over it again because a lot of times on a quiz, you may be asked to evaluate an expression, just like any of these right here, right? And instead of creating code or program in VS Code to do this, what you can do is, I'm going to go into VS Code, and I'm going to bring up the command palette, Command-Shift-P on a Mac, Control-Shift-P on a PC. And then I'm going to type in REPL, R-E-P-L, read, evaluate, print, loop. That's what REPL stands for. And then I'm going to click on Python, start REPL, or just hit enter. It's the default choice there. And what it does is it brings up a window in the terminal below with those three chevrons. So if you want to evaluate an expression, say, from the book, I'm going to just, I'll just do 3 plus 4 and then hit enter. There you go. You got 7, right? That's kind of what they had there. And then they said, is hello exactly equal to hello, right? So let's do this. Hello as a string equals equals, because we're checking for equality. Hello, right? And it says true. Again, no need to create a new program, right? You have this environment, right? This Python REPL environment right inside of VS Code. I'll do one more. Hello greater than lowercase hello. False. All right, so I'm going to have another video that's going to explain more of why this is not greater than this, right? Okay, this string on the left, hello with a capital H, is not greater than this string on the right here, which is all lowercase hello. If you've watched this video and you want some extra credit, direct message me the code word hello REPL, hello R-E-P-L. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.